Hey everybody, this is Stevie, the chiropractic assistant at Sozo Chiropractic. Filming in from my kitchen, so I just wanted to share some helpful tips as far as what my favorite cleaning staple is in my own house. So I have here just some distilled vinegar. I got it on discount even for $1.29 at King Soopers. Super affordable. This whole jug will last me about 2 to 3 months, and I can use it in so many different ways around the house. And I take one of these spray bottles and I fill half of it with this vinegar and half with tap water. And then it's as easy as I use it on my granite countertops, all of my surfaces, in the bathroom. You could even use it in your toilet if you use a little bit more, maybe like 2 to 3 cups, let it sit for a little bit. If you're an athlete or you work out a lot, sometimes your workout clothes have a certain sweat smell to them over time. So what I found is adding some vinegar into your normal wash with your soap. It helps kill that extra odor. It helps with stains in your clothing. And then one of my favorite hacks around the house also is I can make buttermilk on the fly. So, you know, I love buttermilk waffles here in my house, love making them. So with that, I just add a tablespoon of distilled vinegar into whatever milk that I have on hand. Let it sit for about 10 minutes while I'm preparing everything else. And then voila, homemade buttermilk, and it's super easy. I love it. I use this solution on my floors, on my kitchen table, and it's food safe. So, you know, it's safe to consume. If I'm, you know, food prepping over here and then I have meat over here, I can clean up the meat station. And if it happens to get onto my food, it's okay. It's ingestible. It's non-toxic. And that's kind of the next point that I have is why I try to avoid all those harsh chemicals. As you know, in this time where we're all in our house more often, you know, disinfectant wipes are great. They will disinfect, but what a lot of those harsh chemicals, sprays are doing, they're estrogen mimickers. And we do know that cancer feeds on estrogen, as well as with those estrogen mimickers, it messes with your fertility. And that's not something that I would ever wish for my family or for any of you. So I just was wanting to share what I do in my house, how I maintain, how I clean, and just take care of me and mine. So I would love to hear from all of you. If you want to drop a comment, any feedback, love to hear from you. Hope you're having an amazing day. Can't wait to see you soon.